In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a navigation form. This is going to make it easier for you to navigate through your database. So for starters, let's pick a database that already has forms created in it. So you all are going to click File, New, and let's choose the Nutrition Tracking. Single click on it, give it the name of your last name and nutrition. Click the folder to make sure that you put it in your DAR folder and access. Once you open it up, you will need to enable the content. And you will also want to check off that it is a trusted source. Yes. From here, we're going to create a navigation form. So you're going to go to Create, Navigation. There's different options, and they'll show you a picture of what it would look like. So this one's going to have horizontal tabs and vertical tabs. This one has just vertical tabs on the right. This one just vertical on the left. So I'll choose the one on the left. Over here is our navigation pane. If yours happens to be closed, just click these double arrows. Scroll down, and I'm looking for the category that says Forms. And what I want you all to do is just drag these over and drop them in that navigation on the left, and you'll notice that the different forms will start showing up. You can drag them in different orders. You'll see the line appears in the order where you want to drop the form. And as you end up dropping them all, you'll see the forms start showing up on the right. And this is an easy way for whoever is interacting with this database to get to all of your items. And you can make this your startup page as well. You should also be aware that you can switch how you are searching for objects over here. So right now it's set up by object type. I could tell it to only show me forms if I wanted. You can also choose to delete different objects by right-clicking on them and choosing Delete, or you can hide them. So at this point, I'd like for you to go through and choose something to delete, choose something to hide, and choose one item to rename.